If you can earn between $20,000 to $70,000 a month. Want to live a luxury life? You need an Amazon
profitable products to sell on Amazon but don't know where to start? You've come to the right place. Hi there, I'm Donovan, and with over 10 years of experience in e-commerce and business strategy, I've helped many people go from beginners to launching successful products on Amazon FBA. In this gig, I will personally teach you in a one-on-one session. I'll show you the process required to find profitable products and the mindset you need to develop as an e-commerce seller to succeed. Here's what you'll get. Expert guidance on finding profitable products, insights from over 10 years of e-commerce experience, personalized one-on-one coaching, strategies to generate multiple streams of passive income. Remember, this is a coaching session. For your business to succeed, you need to put in
rank checkmark, competition analysis checkmark, ROI calculations checkmark, sourcing links, everything you need to make smart, profitable decisions. On FBA journey, let's turn research into revenue.
My expertise. Let me teach you how to find the best products to sell. Ready to get started? Contact me now and let's start your journey to Amazon FBA success together.